Something extraordinary evolved. Before birds, before bats, there were pterosaurs. These were not dinosaurs, but flying reptiles that shared the same evolutionary lineage. The first known pterosaur, Eudimorphodon, appeared in what is now Italy. It had a long tail, sharp teeth, and a relatively small wingspan compared to later giants. Pterosaurs evolved from small, bipedal archosaurs. What made them special was a revolutionary wing design, a membrane of skin and muscle stretched from an extremely elongated fourth finger down to their body and legs. This allowed true powered flight, making them the first vertebrates to conquer the skies. The early world they lived in was warm, humid, and filled with coastal lagoons, shallow seas, and thick forests. Most early pterosaurs lived near coastal regions because their diet mainly consisted of fish and small marine animals. Their lightweight hollow bones made them perfectly adapted for gliding over oceans. Unlike birds, their wings were skin-based, not feathered. They likely launched into flight by pushing off with all four limbs, a method scientists call quadrupedal launch. Fossil evidence suggests they were highly efficient flyers, capable of long-distance travel across oceans. The rise of pterosaurs marked the beginning of aerial ecosystems. They became the dominant flying animals for over 150 million years. After Eudimorphodon, more species evolved during the Jurassic period. One famous early species was Ramphorhynchus. It had a long stiff tail ending in a diamond-shaped vein, which helped it steer in the air like a rudder. Another was Dimorphodon, known for having two different types of teeth, sharp fangs in front and smaller teeth at the back. This suggests it ate both fish and small land animals. These early pterosaurs were relatively small, with wingspans ranging from 1 to 6 feet. They lived along coastlines, cliffs, and lagoons. Fossils found in England and Germany suggest they nested near rocky shores, similar to modern seabirds. They hunted by skimming the water's surface or diving down to snatch fish. Some may have also hunted insects or small reptiles on land. Their large eyes suggest excellent vision, possibly even night hunting in some species. These long-tailed pterosaurs dominated the skies for millions of years, until a new wave of evolution changed everything. By the late Cretaceous, pterosaurs evolved into giants. The most famous is Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying animal ever discovered. It had a wingspan of up to 33 to 36 feet, 10 to 11 meters, comparable to a small airplane. Another massive species was Hatzegopteryx, known for its massive skull and powerful bite. Unlike earlier species, many giant pterosaurs had short tails and long necks. They belonged to a group called Asdarchids. These giants may not have hunted fish exclusively. Evidence suggests they hunted small dinosaurs and animals on land, stalking prey like modern storks. They lived in inland plains as well as coastal regions. Their long legs indicate they were comfortable walking on land. Imagine a creature the height of a giraffe taking off into the sky. That was the late Cretaceous world. Most pterosaurs were coastal specialists. They lived near lagoons, estuaries, and shallow seas where fish were abundant. Some species likely migrated seasonally. Their hollow bones made them light but strong. They had fur-like fibers called pycnofibers, suggesting they were warm-blooded. Hunting strategies varied: skimming fish from water, diving like pelicans, stalking land prey, scavenging carcasses. Their social behavior remains debated, but fossil sites with multiple individuals suggest some species nested in colonies. 66 million years ago, the asteroid impact that caused the extinction of dinosaurs also ended the reign of pterosaurs. The impact site, now known as the Chicxulub crater, triggered global fires, darkness, and climate collapse. Unlike birds, which are surviving dinosaurs, pterosaurs did not survive. Their large body sizes and specialized diets may have made them vulnerable. After ruling the skies for over 150 million years, they vanished completely.